Akabajagine, mikwaza fui, elo bakaliama, mikwaza sikre, komiza kasukali sikre, mikwaza diama, ela telo gamoto, mikwaza imeble, poeta molaka, atamolili, mikwa kongengaka, miko.
It's me.
It's a video!
Yes, it
And
is.
he caught us!
You got it. You got it. It's me. Calais, 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 Calais. Calais. Herself. Calais.
It was my question. Boy, I give you the answer. Mais est-ce que tu know que je t'aime?
Que je
Il me
t'aime.
manque des mots.
Il me manque des
On te
mots.
dit je t'aime.
Je te dis je
C'est moi,
t'aime.
je suis.
We are walking.
It's not clear here.
We are walking. We are Calais of job. The only one. What's the title of our song?
I don't even know.
There is a
We're still thinking of whether Kole Sere is the title.
there is a very beautiful
You
song
got
coming.
it very, very
No, you got
amazing.
it. Sexually, you got it.
You got it.
You,
You got it.
you got it. You got it. You got it. Good. See you soon. You'll be very, very happy.
Very, very pleased. Very amazed.
Very amazing.
Very satisfied.
alive.
Yeah, stay alive.
Okay.
Most importantly, coronavirus is around. Don't get caught.
Come back to you soon. Aroudi Dar es Salaam. Aroudi Dar es Salaam. Dar es Salaam. Simple Dar es Salaam. I want to say thank you to the boss of Cloud FM, who is the promoter of this event. I'm so happy that people who will be there tomorrow will be happy seeing me, only seeing me. My happiness will be stronger than coronavirus. Yes. During the breakfast here, I met a team of ladies came from Zanzibar. All the people from Uganda, Arusha, all of them, they came for the show. I'm very, very happy. I lost my words. I don't know what to say.
fote na yo bote na ezebale. Mikolo miengi na fote na yo bote na ezebale. Basenge yala.
Emini palipupa walikopo wanataka kuku overtake. Kwa nini umerudi tena kwenye demu? Mbona ugopa nyota yako kushushwa? Dangote.
Edward, saidia.
Alobia.
Trying to understand is what inspired you to actually get back into the industry that you already promised to retire from? Is it because of the other rising stars that you felt were going to take away your history, or what exactly brought you back into the?
No, what I said that Madam problem.
Mwasi kitoko.
Mwasi kitoko.
Yeah, kitoko.
When I perform today, I understand that the public still needs me. I'm a human. I'm a human being. I can't do a mistake. This idea to stop so early because I'm still young. See, it was a mistake. Definitely was a mistake. But perhaps a few years and I'm sorry, but nowhere I went, everywhere I went, everybody said me the same. You can't stop now. We still need you. It included.
Tunapenda pia kutambua katika harakati zetu za kuandaa shughuli hii watu ambao wametushika mkono na wamekuwa mstari wa mbele katika kuhakikisha kwamba Koffi Olomide anakuja na anapata event yenye hadhi. Naomba nianze kwanza kwa kutambua sponsors wetu ambao ni pamoja na UBA Bank ambao hapa pembeni yangu nina Musa ambaye atakuwa mwakilishi na ataongea baadaye, lakini kutoka UBA pia tuna Dominic ambao pia ni sponsors wetu, na kushoto kwangu nina Mr. Ronald Baraka Keskino ambaye ni mkurugenzi wa masoko wa DSTV. Nao wamekuwa mstari wa mbele katika kuhakikisha kwamba tunafanikiwa kumleta mgeni wetu, ila pia tuna Johnny Walker kupitia Serengeti, ni brand ya Serengeti, naye wana mwakilishi wao Esther. Asante sana. Basi nisifanye kama ni siku yetu ya kuongea sana. Naomba kwanza nianze kwa
You don't dance. Well, Papa Mwazuma, Papa Mwazuma, Papa Mwazuma, Papa Mwazuma, Papa Mwazuma, Papa Mwazuma, yes.
Bisa kingaite, nasalake bana miswa mikofui, surira miko ezwinga na motambo na maye, na kule, kasile. Wapio, amiko mukara. Nicola Kiandi na fote na yo bote na ezebale. Nicola Kiandi na fote na yo bote na ezebale. Basende yalamu abebe galate.
Papa, kwa muda mrefu sana upo kwenye muziki wa
English.
Okay. Kwa muda mrefu upo kwenye muziki na hapa kwetu Tanzania awali kulikuwa na muziki wa dance ambao ulifanya vizuri sana. This time muziki wa dance hapa kwetu ni kama umepotea. Ushauri wako kwa vijana ambao wanafanya muziki wa dance kwa hapa kwetu, wamekosea wapi? Kulingana na wewe umekaa kwenye game muda mrefu na unaendelea kushine. Wasaidie.
Jambo Kenya. This is Grandpa Kofi Olomide. First, I apologize. Sincerely, I'm sorry what I did wrong. To everybody who was affected by what I've done, I apologize. I want to say thank you to the government of Kenya because the government allows me to come back again in the country. I missed so much Kenya, the country of my life. I miss you Kenyans so much. I will be very soon in the country. I will be so happy to meet one by one for selfie, to say hello, and we will announce the date for the coming back of the King of Africa in Kenya. Sincerely apologize. I did wrong. Thank you very much, my lawyer, Professor George, for what you did, for what you have done. And once again, thank you, the Kenyan government, to allow me to come back again in Kenya. I'll be there, I'll be in Nairobi very, very soon. I'll be happy to talk with a celebrity of medias, and then we will announce the show of coming back. I love you. Respect.